Hello, good evening everybody. How are you all? I hope that everything is doing great. I'm also fit and fine right now. I am heading to a park and Siri is walking ahead of me over there with her friends, and today is Sunday, so I think that how about going to park for playing. Park, that's mean you relax and you spend time with your children, with your parents, and with your parents, with your cousin, with your friends, as you can say. So I think, and if you are beginner like me, then you should watch my video till the end, and while going over there I am going to explaining all things what I exactly find around of me. All things I try to explain in English, so please stay with me till the end, and this video, I'm sure this video will be very helpful for you who are speaking English, who are learning English, who are try to speak English in front of others, but who are not able to speak English in front of other person. I'm not a public speaker, but I try to make a video, and I try to really I try to speak English in a public place. So let's start. And because, as you can say, I want to remove my mouth hesitations. Yes, mouth hesitation remove is really important things, and also I want to overcome my problem. I want to overcome my fear to speak English in front of others. So it's quite difficult for me to speak English in front of others, but I don't think, I don't care about it who are beginner like me. Please stay with me till the end. And now I have arrived already. Time flies while talking. And have a look, you can go at the weekend. You should go any park with your childrens, and you should spend time a lot with them. I think once in a week you should go for playing, for spending time with them. And now I have arrived. Have a look around of me. There are so many children are playing over there, and have a look this side, and some children are playing on slide and swinging on the swing. And also some, there is a big tree center this park, and over there some elderly women are sitting under the tree, and that is a green tree, and that provides shade on sunny day, as you can say. And one more thing, that one other thing I want to say, so you over there, have a look, that is I think that is a exercise point, and some women are and in the evening time some women try to come here for jogging and exercise. I think to stay healthy, it's a very important thing to stay healthy. And nowadays we also have to do to stay healthy. We should take care of ourselves, and by the time, I think if I practice English every day, then I am going to kill the all problem, the all mistakes, I think. And that's why I want to share here that you need to practice English every day. If you practice English every day, then it will be very helpful for you to speak English properly and correctly. And you have to you have to know, or you have to know something about idea about speaking English. You have to know, then you can start speaking English. And some people, some women are looking at me, and they are, I think they are telling inwardly what she is doing. Actually, I am practicing English. It's time to practice English, that's why. And really I'm not a public speaker, so I feel a little bit shy, as you can say. So And over there, have a look. The man is swinging. Yes, the man is sweeping. And here, most of time, I try to visit here often. I come here, and when I get free time, try to come here for practicing English, for making video, and for improving my knowledge and of what exactly I get around of me. Try to explain in English. And if you are beginner, you should do this type of activity to improve your knowledge. I think if you do that, then you can easily improve your knowledge by this type of activity, by doing this type of activity, I think so. Please try to do that and try to speak English properly, naturally. Who are loves to learn this language, who are loves to speak English clearly, please try to do that. And this type of activity, I'm sure this type of activity will be very helpful for you. And English, speaking English is a skill, so if you want to improve your skill, then you have to practice English a lot. And by practicing, you will be able to speak English properly, naturally, correctly. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you for giving me your valuable time. So please stay with me till the end. And if I make mistake while speaking English,